Hi, salut, xin chào.
Walk out the door in my little black dress. Been a long day and I need to de-stress. Sunsets behind downtown skyline.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. And as you can see, all of the main characters of today's video are my colleagues. So this video is gonna be in English. Back to November 2021, I had an amazing weekend trip to the south of Belgium with all my young colleagues. I mean all of the people who entered the company at the same time with me. Entering the company during COVID time is not really ideal in terms of, socializing. Hence, this trip is something we created in order to get together, strengthen the friendship maybe, and forget about work. Our plan was simple. Friday evening after work, heading to our B&B, spending a night there, going to the adventure park the next day, a small walk, and then home.
Oh, I just met these two cute little bunnies. Sorry, it was so late.
After the dinner, by the way, the spaghetti is so good. Yay, Navie, Shanna, and Longs. We kinda had quite a concert, but it started with a little lottery.
Okay, read it in a sexy way. In a sexy way. In a sexy way. It's himself.
The first one is Matteo.
How did you pick yourself?
Wait, okay.
Alongside Manon.
Okay.
Two at a time. Two at a time. Someone that comes from Saint-Amand. Caroline and Đồng.
The day has come. The day when even until now, some of the people on this table couldn't forget. But before we get to that, the breakfasts were amazing. Thanks, Cami.
Hey, I think you're cute. Can I hit you up on Instagram? Cause you are the only thing I'm thinking of. And I can't stop it, I'm wishing you and I were talking. But even if we talked, I wouldn't know what I would say. My social awkwardness would just get in the way. And maybe I'm a little bit shy, but I'll try my best to compromise. Cause I think I really like how you're always staring at your feet. Pictures only tell so much. So I'm thinking of a message to send you, but it's hard for me to tell if it's too long or not enough.
Okay, now people, enjoy when you can, cause the next hours are going to be hell.
You're not doing it? Yeah, no.
And here we go. It's gonna be the part I hate the most. Good luck. How can I pass this? Is it like moving? Look at the girl who is strongly gliding to the right with the strong legs and the strong hands.
What the fuck?
I feel protected here.
2, 1, go!
Mika, I understand you totally.
Mika,
No.
We have a situation here. Miss hanging in the middle is in the middle. Hope she's okay. Let me go.
We don't have to meet at the bar, getting drinks. We don't have to sleep together for the night. Then forget each other's names. Oh no, this doesn't have to be a millennial love affair. This doesn't have to be the night of fun and then we leave. Oh, I wanna make it last with you. Yeah, let's talk, not just touch. Tell me what scares you most. What's your favorite song? Do you think we're alone? Yeah, let's talk.
And here I am in the longest way. Wish me luck.
Quit being alone, now be with me. I wanna know everything about you. Oh, you love me from my brain.
Finally, it's over. I bet some people were so happy at this moment. Yeah. Bye.
Guys.
Now we're on our way back to our B&B. Enjoy the sauna and the dinner with unforgettable burger. We have a chef here.
Okay, guys, we need it.
Pop it like it's hot. Pop it like it's hot. I got a rollie on my own and I'm way shut down and I'm a bit sweet. I got it going on.
Okay, Shana and David, you thought you had the best moves? No, here was the best one. Kidding, I like this more.
The thing we did today at the hike, the name of the place, if you remember.
Some spa adventure or something? Adventure park?
Yeah.
Previous president of the America.
Barack Obama?
Yeah.
The thing you call with from Apple.
Apple.
A famous rapper. It's begin with a number.
50 cents.
What do I have?
A chair.
And I call people with.
A phone. An iPhone.
Stop.
Camera and someone's answer.
Oh yeah, I have it. You got it.
New York. Eiffel Tower.
You might wonder at this moment, what are those professional, talented young people doing? That was just our effort to make the guess the word game more, I don't know, difficult and interesting. It was super fun. I like that game the most actually.
Then it's
M and D. Matteo and Dave.
Yeah!
With 1 point.
Oh my god, it's a game.
After that, the rest of the night was bloody, full of lies and betrayal while we were playing the wolf.
No, it's fine. It's fine. Leave it like this. This is fine. They decided to call it a night because they were all very tired, extremely tired. However, they were unaware that amongst them there were 2 stray wolves. You have the opportunity to kill 1 person. Tell me if you want them to be killed. After the crazy long night and fatigue, unfortunately, someone died.
Snowing. Breakfast team here.
Yeah. Thank you.
Bacon, scrambled egg. Here we are again, the breakfast table. In the middle of the street, huh?
I found you, miss you, booty.
Uh-huh.
Get it together and bring it back to me. Everything.
This is a side effect of drinking too much water in the morning. Don't jump. Is it a dam? They are building it?
I think they repaired.
On Sunday morning, many left early, and the small group remained decided to go for a walk. It was super nice to be in the nature, even though it was quite cold, and the hiking trail was wow, really. Oh. What are you doing? The sound of the running streams, the tiny moss patterns of the rocks, fresh grass fragrance, smell of the pine tree, some tiny little mushroom, the snow, sounds of the birds, everything was extremely soothing. And last but not least, being surrounded by the crazy friends made that trip perfect. What are these two going? Ladies and gentlemen, we have an experience here up on the top of the hill, Asian squat. Can you?
Win surprise.
Yes, with shoes. Oh wait, I didn't see that.
Who stays longer wins.
No.
Paper to data and data to glory. Up in the cloud they are saving.
I just want to say thank you everyone for joining that trip, and a special thanks to the organizing team. I really can't wait to make all the memories together with you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video and see you in the next one. Bye bye.